Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of being your own boss and making some extra money on the side? Are you ready to turn your passion into a profitable business? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a side hustle that works for you. So buckle up, because in this video, we're going to explore the tips and tricks to help you choose the right business idea, market your services, manage your finances, network and collaborate, and stay focused on your goals. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to start your side hustle and turn it into a profitable business. Are you ready? Let's get started. Step 1, choose the right business idea. The first step to starting a successful side hustle is choosing the right business idea. You want to pick something that you're passionate about and that has the potential to make money. This could be anything from freelance writing or photography to tutoring or graphic design. Do some research and figure out what skills and talents you have that could be turned into a profitable side hustle. Step 2, market your services. Once you have chosen your business idea, it's time to start marketing your services. You need to let people know that you're available and that you offer a valuable service. You can start by creating a website or social media accounts to showcase your work. You can also reach out to friends and family and ask for referrals. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there and promote your side hustle. Step 3, manage your finances. As with any business, it's important to manage your finances when starting a side hustle. This means keeping track of your income and expenses and setting aside money for taxes. You should also consider investing in tools and resources that will help you run your business more efficiently, such as accounting software or a website builder. Keep in mind that it may take some time to start making a profit, so be prepared to invest some money up front. Step 4, network and collaborate. Networking and collaboration are key to growing your side hustle. Attend industry events and conferences to meet other professionals in your field. Join online communities and forums to connect with like-minded individuals. You can also collaborate with other businesses and offer complimentary services to reach a wider audience. Step 5, stay committed and stay focused. Starting a side hustle takes time and effort, but it can be incredibly rewarding. Remember to stay committed and focused on your goals. Set realistic expectations and be prepared to work hard to achieve them. Don't let setbacks or challenges discourage you. Keep pushing forward and you'll see the results of your hard work. Step 6, continuously learn and improve. To stay ahead of the competition and grow your side hustle, you need to continuously learn and improve. Keep up with the latest trends and developments in your industry, attend workshops and training sessions, and read books and blogs to expand your knowledge and skills. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. Use customer feedback and data to improve your products or services and provide a better experience for your clients. By setting clear goals and continuously learning and improving, you'll be able to take your side hustle to the next level and achieve even greater success. Conclusion: starting a side hustle is a great way to make some extra money, pursue your passion, and build a business on the side. By choosing the right business idea, marketing your services, managing your finances, networking and collaborating, and staying committed and focused, you can turn your side hustle into a successful venture. Remember to stay motivated and keep pushing forward, and you'll achieve your goals. And there you have it, folks. Starting a side hustle can be challenging, but with the right mindset, strategies, and persistence, you can turn your passion into profit and create a successful business on the side. Remember, it's not about having a perfect plan or waiting for the perfect moment to start. It's about taking action, putting in the work, and learning from your mistakes. Whether you're looking to earn some extra income or turn your side hustle into a full-time career, the key is to stay focused, stay motivated, and stay committed to your goals. So go out there, explore your options, and find the side hustle that works for you. And when you do, don't forget to share your success story with us. We can't wait to hear how you turned your passion into profit. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!